Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a blessed day everyone. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Panibagong upload po tayo. Marami na naman po tayong available na quality units. Na-scan at na-check ko na po ito. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng sasakyan, you should watch this until the end. Pwede nyo rin pong i-visit ang aking Facebook page, J Catskill Vlogs. Marami rin po tayong unit na nakapost doon. Alright, ito na po sila. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Let's start. Nangunguna po sa ating lineup, 2014 Toyota Avanza 1.3e, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 73,000 km, price 445,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng 7-seater, pasok po sa inyo to. All stock, all original to, well-maintained unit kahit 2014 model, 4-speed, automatic transmission, smooth ang shifting, wala pong delay, naka-power steering na rin to, naka-dual SRS airbag, malamig ang aircon nitong unit, first on the quart, taga BF Homes Las Piñas po ang may-ari nito, private use only, used but not abused. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue, wala po itong oil leakage, smooth and quiet engine, naka-VVTi gas engine that produces 92 horsepower at 120 Nm of torque, naka-Motolite battery na to, condition gagamitin na lang. Kasama rin po ito sa financing na unit, pa-check na lang po ng computation, nasa screen. Ang ganda ng kulay nito, ang ganda ng pagka-blue. Sa mga papel naman, kompleto po ito. Ready for transfer, LTO and SPG verified naman to. Next, we have 2016 Ford EcoSport 1.5 Trend, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 55,000 km, price 375,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Shiny original paint, quality po na Ford EcoSport. Electric power steering na po ito, naka-dual SRS airbag, multi-info display, may phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. Meron na rin po itong voice command. All power and all panel gauge, gumagana po lahat. Check nyo po actual odometer nito, not tampered. Lady first owner po ito. Reason for sale, hindi lang po nagkasya sa bago niyang nilipatan na bahay kaya nagpalit ng Wigo. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. No talsek, no usok, no blow by. Wala po itong oil leakage, wala po itong overheat history. Naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 121 horsepower at 150 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing plus check ng computation nasa screen. May kasama pa po itong dalawang original key. 100% no accident history. Must see the unit to appreciate. Next, 2023 Hyundai Creta 1.5 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 4,900 km, price 898,000. Location, Pasig City. Top of the line series, good as new condition. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, multi-function ng steering wheel with cruise control. Mayroon na rin po itong drive assist, may traction control system, naka-wireless charging na po ito, naka-Android touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensors. 4,900 lang pong tinakbo na to, sulit na sulit po ang unit na to. 5-seater capacity, naka-two-toned leather seat, mga upuan pati sidings, naka-deep dish matting na rin po ito, kompleto po ito ng reserbang gulong, makapal pa po, hindi pa po nagagamit yan. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 113 horsepower at 144 Nm of torque. May mga kasa markings pa po yan with kasa warranty. Guaranteed no engine issue, no hidden defects. Kapag sa financing, ayan po yung sample computation niya, pa-check na lang po nasa screen. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint, maayos po ang pagkaputi, wala po itong gasgas, walang din. Naka 17 inches Rotamax at ang mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 95% trade line. Sasakyan nyo na lang to. Next, we have 2004 Hyundai Starex 2.5 GRX CRDI, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 123,000 km, price 268,000. Location, Parañaque City. Meron din akong sinamang Hyundai Starex na pasok sa inyong mga budget pang family service. All power and all mechanism, gumagana po lahat. Kahit 2004 model to, well maintained and well preserved unit. Good condition pa po yung interior nito, mga upuan naka-leather, 9 to 10 seater capacity po ito. Used but not abused itong unit. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual at pwede po kayo magsama ng sarili yung mekaniko para ma-check at ma-test drive nyo po. Solid ang under chassis nito, wala po itong kalampag. Nothing to fix po sa unit na to, sasakyan nyo na lang to. Under the hood, good running condition, guaranteed no engine issue, no talsek, no usok, no blow by, wala po itong overheat history, pwede nyo pong i-check ng actual ang unit. Presentable outside appearance, updated po ang registration nito, naka 15 inches alloy wheels at naka Hankook na gulong. Outside appearance, smooth shiny body paint, presentable. Next, 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.2 CRDI, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 103,000 km, price 345,000. Location, Parañaque City. Quality din po, napasok sa budget na 7-seater. All stock, all original. original. Malamig po ang aircon with automatic climate control. 6-speed, automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. Naka-wooden interior design. Naka-stock leather pa po ang mga upuan na itong unit. Check nyo po second row nito. Goods na goods pa po. Excellent interior condition. Intact pa po ito kahit 2009 model. Best buy unit pa to mga bossing. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng 7-seater na diesel yung engine, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. You can bring your trusted mechanic kahit na-check ko na po ito para mayroon po kayong peace of mind. Next, 2012 Mazda CX-9 3.7 AWD, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 90,000 km. Price, 415,000. Location, Parañaque City. Kung powerful engine naman ang hanap mo, mayroon din po tayong Mazda CX-9. All power, windows, doors, and mirrors. Working po lahat. Naka-Android touchscreen head unit na to. Clean and fresh intact interior. Naka-leather po ang mga upuan. 7-seater capacity. Top of the line series to na Mazda CX-9. Ito po yung may sunroof. Smooth ang suspension nito at maayos po ang kondisyon ng pagka-leather ng mga upuan. Sa mga interesado, negotiable pa po ito upon viewing. Kompleto naman po ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer. Kung may iba pa po yung inquiry at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Next, 2019 Toyota Hiace 2.8 Commuter Deluxe, manual transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 50,000 km. Price, 1,150,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong Hiace van sa mga naghahanap dyan ng pang business, pang family service. Perfect na perfect to mga bossing. 6-speed manual transmission, malakas sumatak, wala pong delay. Maganda po talaga tong unit, pang long drive. 15-seater capacity at maayos pa po ang mga upuan nito. Maayos pa ang upholstery. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Excellent smooth quiet engine. Naka 2.8 liter diesel engine that produces 176 horsepower at 420 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng financing computation. Nasa screen po. Flawless po itong unit. Makinis. Wala po itong gas-gas. Walang dent. Very presentable. Just diesel and go. Next, 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 1.2 GLS. Automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 50,000 km. Price, 440,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Ending 4, Tuesday ang coding. Naka-registered to hanggang 2025. Naka-push start button na to. Mated with CVT transmission. Naka-touchscreen head unit na to. All mechanism, all power buttons. Working po lahat. Fresh and clean interior. Maayos pa po ang upholstery neto. Trunk space naman ito intact. Kompleto po ng tools at may reserbang gulong. Under the hood, naka 1.3 liter 3-cylinder gas engine that produces 78 horsepower at 100 Nm of torque. Naka Motolite battery na to, ready for long drive. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Ayan po yung computation, nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis, negotiable upon viewing. Free na po ang transfer of ownership. Kung mayroon naman kayong existing unit dyan, pwede rin po ditong trade-in. Next, 2014 Toyota Camry 2.5V, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 60,000 km. Price, 680,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang quality na Toyota Camry. Wednesday ang coding nito, naka-registered na rin to hanggang 2025. Push start button, all stock, all original. Ang ganda po ng design nito, naka-wooden panel design. Naka-all leather po ang mga upuan pati sidings nito. Very smooth ang suspension, kaya kung naghahanap ka ng executive car, etong Toyota Camry V-Bar yan. Quality po ito mga bossing. Check nyo po engine bay nito, excellent powerful engine. Naka 2.4 liter gas engine that produces 178 horsepower at 230 Nm of torque. Pasok din po itong unit sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition, nasa screen. Overall appearance itong unit, flawless. Mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade line. Maayos po talaga itong Camry na to. Pwede nyo pong i-check at i-test drive. Next, we have 2014 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 1.2 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 59,000 km. Price, 338,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Another Mitsubishi na Mirage. Push start button na rin to, same color ng kanina, kulay black. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng pasok sa budget na sedan, check this out mga bossing. Pristine interior condition, well maintained and well preserved unit to kahit 2014. Reason for sale, nag-upgrade po ang owner nito ng SUV. First owned lang po ito. Check nyo po engine bay nito, malinis po ito, wala po itong oil leakage, wala po itong overheat history. Naka 1.2 liter 3-cylinder gas engine that produces 78 horsepower at 100 Nm of torque. Pasok din po itong unit sa financing, naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Maganda at maayos po itong unit, presentable outside appearance, bagong bopping lang po yan at ang mga gulong nito nasa 90% trade line. 2022 Kia Seltos 2.0 LX, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer nito 26,000 km. Price 750,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinama na Kia Seltos, good as new condition, multi-function steering wheel, naka touchscreen Android head unit na rin po ito. Smooth and responsive Tipoy drive, wala pong delay sa shifting. All power and all mechanism, gumagana po lahat. 5-seater capacity, clean and fresh, intact interior. Well-maintained po itong unit. Under the hood, good engine condition. Naka 2.0 liter gas engine that produces 146 horsepower at 179 Nm of torque. Kasama rin po itong unit sa financing. Best check ng computation po, nasa screen. Kung may iba pa po kayong inquiry at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2019 acquired Nissan Urban NB350 2.5 Premium, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 22,000 km, price 1,197,000. Location, Marikina City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng van na automatic pang family service, check this out mga bossing. 5-speed automatic transmission, smooth ang shifting, top of the line series. Hindi masyadong gamit ang unit na to. Check nyo po ang tinakbo nito, 22,600 lang pong odometer. Private use only at alaga po ito ng owner. Kahit 2018 model to, quality pa po ito, pero 2019 acquired. 15-seater capacity, naka-high roof na rin po ito. Malinis ang unit na to, pati mattings. Under the hood, superb quality engine. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 127 horsepower at 356 Nm of torque. Ready to use, ready for long drive. Maayos ang kondisyon ng mga ilaw nito, maputi, hindi po naninilaw. Mga gulong, makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade line. For more quality units, you can visit J. Catskill Vlogs po ang aking FB page. Next, 2019 Toyota Rush 1.5G, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 50,000 km, price 780,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong 7-seater MPV Toyota Rush. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, naka-touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensor, 4-speed automatic transmission. Sa mga galing pong sedan na gusto pong mag-upgrade, pwede nyo pong i-check to, best buy unit. Private use only, not bank repo, perfect to pang personal and family use. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue. Naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 102 horsepower at 134 Nm of torque. Naka Motolet battery na rin to, good running condition. Kasama rin po itong unit sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation, nasa screen. Naka 2-tone 16 inches alloy wheels at makakapal pa po ang mga gulong neto. Maganda po ang kulay, maganda po ang pagkapula, makinis po ito, wala po itong gas-gas, walang din. Next, 2017 Ford Ranger 2.2 wild track 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 60,000 km, price 770,000. Location, Las Piñas City. May sinama rin po akong pickup, Ford Ranger wild track. Ang ganda po ng interior nito, naka-touchscreen head unit na po ito. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, may electronic stability and traction control system. Excellent interior condition at smooth po ang suspension nito. Malinis ang bidliner matting nito, halos hindi po nakakargahan. Under the hood, excellent engine condition. Naka 2.2 liter diesel engine that produces 158 horsepower at 385 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Please check po ulit ng computation, nasa screen. Sa mga interesado po sa unit na to, pwede po kayo magpa-schedule, i-view nyo po yung unit ng actual para ma-check at ma-test drive nyo po ang unit. You can bring also your trusted mechanic po mga bossing. Next, we have 2015 Toyota RAV4 2.5 active, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 50,000 km, price 605,000. Location, Las Piñas City. May nagpapahanap sa akin ng Toyota RAV4. Check this out, bossing. Baka makursunadahan mo itong unit. Smooth driving, smooth shifting, walang delay, all power and all mechanism, gumagana po lahat. Maayos naman ang interior nito, 5-seater capacity. Nothing to fix po sa unit na to, no issue. Pwede nyo rin pong kuhanin ito ng financing. Ayan po yung computation, nasa screen. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue. No talsik, no usok, no blow-by, ready for long drive. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nakursunadahan kayo. At kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na hinahanap nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. This is J. Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!